सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू वीडियो। मैं हूँ रियल गेमर लेट एंड आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं लाइफ इज स्ट्रेंज। तो बेसिकली इस गेम में क्या होएगा कि अपने जो एक कैरेक्टर है वो एक फर्स्टली स्टॉर्म में फंस जाएगा, पर वो स्टॉर्म नहीं है, वो एक सपना है एंड उसके बाद से हमारी स्टोरी कंटिन्यू होएगी। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम। तो अब हमारा गेम स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड इसके ग्राफिक्स ना बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हैं एंड बहुत अच्छे हैं। कभी लगता ही नहीं है कि ये मोबाइल का गेम है, क्योंकि ऐसा ही लगता है कि पीसी का गेम लगता है ज़्यादातर लोगों को, बट मैं बता दूँ ये मोबाइल का गेम है। ओके, सो जो हमारा कैरेक्टर है वो अभी उठ चुका है और ये वैसे वो ड्रीम कर रहा है, बट उसको लग रहा है ये रियल है।
How did I get here? And where is here? Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
So एंड अब हमें स्लाइड एड तक पहुंचना है, बट एक ट्विस्ट है अभी। देखिए आप देख सकते हैं कि ये कितने अच्छे ग्राफिक्स का गेम है एंड ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि ये मोबाइल का गेम है। गाइस बेसिकली ये हमारा एपिसोड बन रहेगा एंड उसकी सीरीज पूरी आपके पास आ जाएगी। देन अब इसमें ट्विस्ट होएगा और वो अपनी क्लास के अंदर रहेगी, ऐसा कुछ होगा। एंड इसकी लोडिंग स्क्रीन भी ना इतनी अच्छी है,
That was
इतनी
so
प्यारी है,
surreal.
all thanks to the
pieces
developer.
of time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay. I'm in
एंड अब
class.
ये अपनी क्लास में पहुंच चुकी है, फोटोग्राफ
okay.
क्लास,
From light
एंड अब उसको पता चल चुका है कि वो
from
ड्रीम
color
कर रही थी।
to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson?
Of those sad mothers and
I can hear the class laughing at me
She saw
now.
humanity's
अब हमें
torture,
I should
right?
take a picture to prove I'm still here.
Bullshit.
Plus, it's perfect for my portfolio.
Yourself.
And I have to get my daily selfie quota.
I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a
अब
moment of
नीचे
desperation.
से नीचे से सेल्फी ले रही है।
I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie, a dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
You're asking me? Let me think.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their
अब
stuff?
इनके
Louis
सर
Daguerre was a
ने
French
इनसे
painter who
क्वेश्चन पूछा
created
एंड
daguerreotypes.
हमारे कैरेक्टर से
A process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror.
But
Now you're totally stuck in
हमारे
the retro
कैरेक्टर
zone.
बता नहीं पाया
Sad face.
एंड
Very
ये
good,
जो
Victoria.
लड़की है
The
वो हमारा
Daguerrean
मजाक उड़ा
process
रही है
brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius. You can find out all about him in your textbook, or
तो
even...
अब मैं आपको बता देता हूँ इसका मतलब बेसिकली क्या है इसमें
You guys don't
कि
forget
इस
the
लड़की
deadline
के
to submit a
पास
photo in the
यानी
Everyday
कि हमारे
Heroes
कैरेक्टर
contest,
के
and I'll fly out
पास
with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it
बहुत
can kickstart a career in
अच्छा वो
photography. So
पावर
Stella
आएगी
and Alyssa,
Means
get
the
it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you
मतलब
pretending not to see.
उसको वो है ना टाइम को रिवाइंड कर सकती है तो ये एक बहुत ही खास पावर है एंड अच्छी पावर है अब
Yes, Victoria.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass.
Even if you're submitting your photo for the competition, everybody in class is turning in photos. You see the dilemma?
I know.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
तो शायद लेक्चर देने वाले हैं या फिर हम डांटेंगे यही कुछ होने वाला है
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your
गाइस अब
gift
आप
with
यहाँ
others.
तक आ चुके हैं
That's what separates the artist
प्लीज़
from the
सब्सक्राइब
amateur.
करिए एंड फॉलो कर मतलब लाइक करके मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट करिए क्योंकि मैं अभी सिर्फ 7
You didn't tell me how
subscribers
cute I looked yet.
हैं और
I was
मुझे
about to.
You're just getting you ready.
Welcome to the real world.
Just cute.
Hot.
Then I might send you a special picture chatting style.
एंड ये हमारा स्कूल है
Because Max wants everybody to see how cute she
और
is.
फालतू चीज़ें
He plays it so sharp.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
It's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy. She takes selfies with a giant camera.
इसने अब ईयरबड्स टाइप पे कुछ लगा रखे हैं एंड अब ये वॉशरूम जाएगी
You remember that it's payday? I know you didn't forget you owe us cash. For what? For making sure you're out.
क्योंकि है ना ये लोग इस गर्ल यानी कि हमारा जो
Nobody can see
कैरेक्टर
my
है
meltdown
उसको
except for
बहुत
me.
ज़्यादा परेशान कर रहे हैं। तो अब उसको थोड़ा सा मतलब रिलैक्स होके अपना फेस वॉश करना है और गाइस इसके है ना आप ये मत समझना इसका
Just
एक ही
relax.
part रहेगा।
Stop torturing
ये है ना
yourself.
क्योंकि एक स्टोरी बेस्ड
You
गेम
have
है
a
तो
gift.
हम इसको पूरा लंबा रखेंगे एंड स्टोरी वाइज हम पूरा वो करेंगे तो प्लीज़ बने रहिएगा चैनल पर
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
एंड हम इसके हम फोटो ले रहे हैं एंड वो उड़ गई अब एक लड़का यानी कि जो नेथन शायद इसका नाम है वो आया है क्लास में
It's cool, Nathan.
तो फिर वो
Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3.
Don't be scared.
उसको पता
You
नहीं
own
किस
this
टाइप
school.
की
If I wanted,
एंजाइटी हो
I could
रही
blow
है,
it up.
तो
You're the boss.
सब कुछ
So what do you want?
आ गई।
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family,
अब
not
इनकी
me.
लड़ाई हो
Oh,
चुकी है।
boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
इसने ना
Leave them
बहुत से
out of
लोगों
this
को मतलब
bitch.
शायद मारा भी
I
है।
can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're
और
messing
उसने
around
गन
with.
निकाल ली है।
What are you doing?
शायद ही
Come
मारने
on, put
वाला
that
है
thing
उसको।
down.
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
No!
एंड उसने गोली चला दी और अब बस खत्म। एंड मार दिया।
Whoa. What the
बट
fuck?
अब रिवाइंड हो गया पूरा और वो क्लास में पहुंच चुकी
In the
है।
bathroom. He shot that poor girl.
Famously called film,
I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
as he likely was. These pieces of time can
इसमें
frame
थोड़ी
us
I already heard
लैंग्वेज
this
भी है तो
lecture.
उसको
from light,
प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा इग्नोर कीजिएगा।
from color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now, can you give me an example of a photographer
cannot believe
who
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Can I actually reverse time?
Go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
अब हम टाइम रिवाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो अब वो हमारा कैमरा वापस जुड़ गया।
I actually did it.
अब हमने शायद अपना जो कैमरा है उससे हमें फोटो खींचना है शायद।
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because
Keep
of
it together, Max.
faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad
When I
mothers.
took my selfie,
अभी
Jefferson asked
हमें
me a question.
वो करना है।
If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a
अब ये
wonderful
सेम वही
photographic
चीज
tradition.
होगी and then
As a gift.
I know I'm not dreaming
As
this.
you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been
I
popular
can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I can go back in time.
is for selfie expression.
What if that girl
and
isn't
अभी
dead yet?
इसके सर क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे है ना।
Can I save her?
Portraiture has
Then-
always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody here
Shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter.
And I need time to save that girl.
A process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone.
ये वापस से हमें चिढ़ा रही है।
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind again
Hungarian process
and give him the right
brought out
answer?
fine
अभी सोच रही है कि है ना
spaces.
मैं रिवाइंड कर सकती हूँ ना, तो ये रिवाइंड करेगी एंड अब ये आंसर दे देगी उसका। सो फिर चेंज हो जाएगा।
Now, Max,
ये देखो चेंज हो
since
गया।
you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please...
सो अब हम इसका नाम बता सकते हैं, द Daguerrean process.
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of them. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can
Heroes
kickstart a career
contest
in
है तो उसमें
photography.
भी
So
ये
Stella and Alyssa,
है।
get it together.
शायद
Taylor,
हमें next
don't
episode में
hide.
पता चलेगा।
I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max,
But
I see you pretending
firstly-
not to see me.
अब हमें उन गर्ल को बचाना है।
You are not
ये
dreaming.
शायद इसका सर जो है
It's time to be an
ये
everyday
वापस से भी
hero.
इसको जब भी जाएगी तभी पूछेंगे।
Victoria, you still have to do your homework.
पूछने वाले हैं शायद
I see you, Max
Yes.
Caulfield. Don't
इनने
even
पूछा
think about leaving
एंड
here
अब
until we talk
हम
about your injury.
सही आंसर देके कुछ तो कर सकते हैं, है ना?
I'd never let one of photography's.
I'm not avoiding, just
Biding time, waiting for the elusive right moment.
exactly.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you.
बट अब हम वापस से इसको रिवाइंड करेंगे। सो सब हम इनसे
Yes,
खुद ही बात कर
Victoria, you
लेते
still
हैं
have to do
तो
your
ये
homework.
वापस अपने घर जाने को
Even if you're submitting your photo for the competition.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars.
यार हमने इसको स्किप कर दिया एंड पिछली बार जो कहा था इसके सर ने जॉन लेनन सेट, तो इस लाइन को हम वापस से उनके ऊपर
I'm on
भी
top
दे
of
देंगे।
I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
एंड अब हम जल्दी से जाके वॉशरूम जाएंगे एंड देन हम उस गर्ल को बचाएंगे। अब हम जल्दी से
I hope I have
जाएंगे,
enough time to get
जल्दी
to the bathroom.
करना है कुछ
Please, please. I can't tell anybody.
भाग के जा रहे
They'll
हैं।
think I'm crazy.
Yo, Daniel. You remember that?
हमें जल्दी सब कुछ वही रिपीट करना पड़ेगा। चलो अब हम चलते हैं जल्दी से।
Okay, Max, retrace every step.
अभी सारी स्टेप वापस से करेंगे
I washed my face.
एंड देन
I shredded my photo. Then
उसको लड़की को
butterfly
बचाएगी वो।
flew in, and I took a photo.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and
इनकी
talks
लड़ाई
to
हो रही
himself.
है।
You don't
अब
know
हमें
who the
जल्दी से
fuck I
कुछ
am
तो
or who you're
करना
messing
पड़ेगा।
around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing?
शायद
Come on,
हमें
put that thing down.
Tell me
हाँ,
what
इसको
to
ही
do.
तोड़ना
Wowzer, it's happening
इसको
again.
तोड़ना पड़ेगा
I
हमें।
need a hammer to break it open. Hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your
move
punk
कर
ass, would
सकते
they?
हैं।
Get that gun away from me,
Oh.
psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
उसको है ना मार दिया
Get
एंड
that
जैसे
gun
हम
away
जल्दी से
from me,
हमारे पास
psycho!
आ गए।
I need a hammer to break it open.
No.
I need a hammer to break it open.
ओ मार दिया शिट।
Max, rewind now.
कोई कंडू करना है इसको
Don't
हमें। अगर हम
ever
शायद
tell me
ज़्यादा
what
बार
to do.
करेंगे ना तो
I'm
ये
so
शायद हमारी
sick of people
एबिलिटीज
trying
में भी
to
कुछ हो
control
पाएगा।
me. No way.
हमने फायर अलार्म
Touch
बजा
me
दिया
again,
एंड
freak!
अब उसको मार के भगा दिया।
Another shitty day.
एंड हम
That did not
अब जा
happen.
रहे हैं।
This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not
एंड अब
freak
शायद
out.
एपिसोड 1 के एंडिंग आ रही है।
Hey,
तो
do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to
नेक्स्ट
use the
एपिसोड
bathroom.
थोड़ा देर
Girls
बाद
always
आएगा
use that excuse.
बिकॉज
Excuse for
मैं
what?
इतना
For
जल्दी
whatever
नहीं
you're
डाल
up to,
सकता
your
हूँ
face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped
स्कूल
me
एंड
out.
Then
ऑल का
trip
थोड़ा
on out of
प्रॉब्लम
here,
आता है
Missy,
इस वजह
or are
से।
you hiding something? Huh? Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here.
और
Leave Miss
आपने
Caulfield alone
अगर
and
अभी तक
please turn
सब्सक्राइब
off
नहीं
that
किया
alarm
है
since
तो
that's
प्लीज़
your
करिए,
job.
क्योंकि मुझे सपोर्ट चाहिए आप लोगों का। तो अब एंड में होने में आया है हमारा एड
Hold on, Max. Come back here.
तो ये शायद प्रिंसिपल है या फिर वो होंगे।
You
तो
look a
अब ये
little
हमें
stressed
बुला
out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
हम हाइड कर सकते हैं ट्रुथ को, क्योंकि है ना अगर हमने इनको बताया, ओ रिपोर्ट नेथन, तो ये है नेथन, वो लड़का नहीं था। अगर हमने इनको बता दिया तो शायद किसी और को भी बता सकते हैं, इसलिए हम हाइड करते हैं।
I just got sick in class. Female trouble.
Except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the truth. I felt dizzy in Mr. Jefferson's
Just
class.
tell me what you're hiding. You can trust me.
There's nothing to hide. I got sick. It happens, you know.
There's that teen toot again. You know, I've heard enough. Don't think I don't know what goes
एंड
on
आपने अगर
around
नोटिस
here.
किया हो
You've
तो
only been here for 3 weeks and
तीन
you're
चार
already causing
बच्चों की
conflict.
मिसिंग की
I don't
रिपोर्ट
think
है।
your parents will approve when
मतलब
they find
शायद
out.
ऐसे
Now get
या तो उनको
outside,
मार दिया
class.
या फिर कुछ हुआ है, तो
Please.
शायद ये आगे के एपिसोड में हमें बताएंगे।
No, he does not
You
buy
do.
that at all. I may have just
You do
flushed my
also.
scholarship down the toilet.
जैसे रेचल एम्बर,
Yes, I could rewind and actually tell him the truth.
ये शायद इनकी ही फोटोज हैं, तो पता नहीं क्या है। बट होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करके जाइएगा, एंड कमेंट में एक रेड हार्ट प्लीज़ डाल दीजिए। बाय, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। एंड अभी हम यहाँ पे कैंपस में आ गए हैं, एंड नेक्स्ट एपिसोड यहीं से चालू होगा।